Good morning, AP students. I am here at home and I am here to give you some announcements, and I'm also here to give you some critical updates on your AP portfolio. So the first thing that you need to know is that Mr. Bot will be sending you a Google Classroom join code where you will mark your attendance daily. If you need some advice on how to do that, you're just going to go to your Google Classroom homepage here. You're going to click on this plus sign, you're going to join class, and you're going to put that code in that Mr. Bot gives you. Basically, it's a cohort attendance join code. So you're responsible for checking your own attendance daily. The next announcement that I have for you is that you will still be submitting your AP portfolio. You're probably concerned as to, well, how am I going to do that? We will discuss AP portfolio next week, starting Monday. But for now, you just need to know that what I last heard was that your sustained investigation images went down from 15 to 10. So there has been some changes in that, which is really exciting because most of us already got 6 to 8 images in there, and the other 4 images you will improvise. So you might be worried about, how am I going to finish my sustained investigation? You're going to get creative with the materials that you have at home. And sometimes creativity just gets even better when you're limited to your resources, and you just have to get super creative with the options that you have at home. So you will need access to technology. Make sure that you already got your laptop. Yesterday, Mr. Bot and a few other people were out there from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. handing out laptops. We're still missing about 700 people that have not picked up their laptops. So if you are one of those people, let me know and I will take that laptop to you. I will literally go and drop it off at your house. Your education is not stopping just because we're under quarantine. Teachers have been working super hard to learn. Many teachers have been learning how to use distance learning strategies to get you your education. Fortunately, I've been taking online classes as part of my master's degree, so I have some expertise and I have some experience with how it should be done. The first thing that I already know, you guys are AP students, so you already know about being responsible. So the first thing that you need to know about distance learning is that there's nobody there to really tell you when to turn it in. It's up to you to log in daily and just check for your due dates. I know you're ready for this. If you look here on your AP Art Design Google Classroom platform, you can see the upcoming due dates here. That's your first assignment is due by Friday. The only grade I'm going to give you this week is evidence that you are connected and you're reaching out to me. You must communicate. Please don't don't put yourself on an island. Please don't not communicate with us, because you will end up missing out. You could put yourself in a situation where you might lose credit. So don't distance yourself. Please reach out. Tomorrow at 3 p.m. Tomorrow at 3 p.m., so that's Thursday at 3 p.m., we are going to have a mandatory video conference where we're going to it says that we're going to discuss AP portfolio, but really I just want to see you guys, and I want you to be able to talk to each other. So we all have access to Google Hangout now. It's really cool. We get to be live with each other. The only thing that you need to know is that you have to use Google Chrome in order to be able to open up that page. Once you click on the link, you're going to join the chat room, and I'll be able to see your face. Okay? So I'll see you tomorrow at 3. Other than that, I'm going to walk you through your first assignment. So you're going to click on this link that says Padlet Group Sharing. I have written out instructions. So another thing about online learning is that you really have to read. You have to read what your instructor writes out for you, okay? So be patient and read through the instructions. The first thing I say to do is that you're going to find a Quarantink prompt page. Choose one prompt and then create, right? So you're going to click on Quarantink prompt. And you're going to read through the prompts. Sketches can be whatever size works for you in any form of media. You can use photography, recycled items, digital software such as Pixlr, drawings on paper, or drawings on objects. Be creative. All artwork should be original and not taken from the internet. That's a given. Take a photograph with good lighting, no shadows, in focus. Post it on Padlet with your name and an explanation of the prompt. So read through the prompts, pick one that you are interested in. So for example, I picked prompt number 1. I made my artwork at home using paper and recycled materials. I'm going to come back to Google Classroom, and then I'm going to click on Padlet. Padlet is basically a group sharing platform where we can post links and pictures, videos, and all you have to do is click down here on this pink add button. You can see there's the pink button, and then put your title in there. I recommend for your title to be your name, and then you're just simply going to give me your prompt number, right? So you can copy and paste your prompt into the title. And your name, and then upload image. Pick a file. By this point, you should have already taken a picture of your first artwork and uploaded it to put it on your computer so that you know it can be in downloads, or however you choose to upload your picture to your computer. You can airdrop it in there, and then click on your image. Let me just choose any random image here. As you can see, Jonathan already did his homework, and there's my example. My prompt is what I see outside my window. Right now I'm seeing a lot of people wearing masks. I used a plastic bag, a pen, and a piece of paper. Feel free to also share any school-appropriate memes or something that would lighten or brighten up our day. I included a video for you to watch which has information about how to wash your hands in a very fun cumbia. So anyway, that's Padlet, and it's fun to use, fun to share. That's your first assignment. Any questions, you can ask me tomorrow during our mandatory Google Hangout meeting. Okay, you guys, there's so many ways to reach out to me. Remember I said don't put yourself on an island. Reach out to me on Remind. Reach out to me through Google Classroom. Be there tomorrow for our mandatory meeting, 3 o'clock, okay? All right, see you later.